The world we live in is full of amazing facts, some of which you may not have known before. Some of these facts are commonplace, such as the advice to never eat yellow snow, while others are quite unknown facts, such as the fact that cheetahs love the smell of Calvin Klein perfume. In this article, you will read about a few things that you have probably never heard of before. I hope you are ready to receive this knowledge. Did you know that there are also green oranges? Oranges grown in warmer parts of the world, such as Vietnam and Thailand, stay green throughout their lives. Did you know that going to work is more dangerous than going to war? Statistically, you are 3 times more likely to die traveling to or from work than you going to war these days. Did you know that Russia is larger in area than the dwarf planet Pluto? With an area of 17,125,191 square kilometers, Russia beats the 16,647,940 square kilometers of the dwarf planet Pluto. Did you know that the first 3D movie was released in cinemas in 1922? Released in September 1922, The Power of Love was a silent film and was released in cinemas around the world. Unfortunately, the film is lost and has not been found for decades. Did you know that in ancient times there was a pterodactyl that had a wingspan larger than that of a fighter jet? The remarkable remains of this pterodactyl were discovered in Romania. As tall as a giraffe, the flying reptile is believed to have weighed about half a ton. With a wingspan of 13 meters, this would have been larger than the 11 meters of the wingspan of an F-16 fighter jet. Did you know that the Burj Khalifa is so tall that you can see 2 sunsets in a single day? The Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world. You can see the sunset from the ground level, and if you immediately take the elevator to the top of the building, you can see the same sunset again. Did you know that there is a spaceship graveyard in the South Pacific Ocean? Known as Point Nemo, it is the farthest place on Earth from land. It is home to over 300 spacecraft and associated space debris, including the Mir space station, the first object ever assembled in planetary orbit. Did you know that in 1960 a cow was hit by a U.S. satellite that fell in Cuba? This event happened at a time when tensions between Havana and Washington were at their highest. So the Cuban authorities decided to take advantage of the situation and laughed at their American neighbors. They paraded a cow through the Cuban streets with a sign that read, "Eisenhower, you killed one of my sisters." Did you know that the nose and ears never stop growing? They are the only parts of the human body that continue to grow when all other parts stop growing.